Hey, what's up? I'm Russ. This is Stashing Worthy Acorns, where I put $50 into the Stash app, the Worthy Bonds app, and the Acorns app. $20 a month is what I'm adding for 2 years, and I'm sharing my experience every week right here with you. So let's get to it. All right, so right out the gate, check this out. I got a box. Not just any box. It's a Worthy Bonds box. We're going to open it up and see what they sent. We got a money bag and a card. I like getting stuff. Says Russ, thank you so much for the ongoing support. Our team adores your YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy your loot bag. And 2 free bonds, are you kidding me? Thank you very much. Now let's see what's in the bag. Build a nest egg with Worthy. Worthy Bond stress ball, a 100 grand bar, mini milk chocolate money, gold mine nugget bubble gum, some $100 bill lifesavers, and an I am Worthy t-shirt. You're worthy of a better return. You are worthy of a better return. Very cool. Thank you so much. And I'd like to make the announcement, as you can see on the screen here, we have officially moved half of our emergency fund over to Worthy Bonds because this is something I've been very impressed with. And I will add this to the Stashing Worthy Acorns scope. We will be reviewing how much interest we're getting and what's going on with that. And again, thank you for the loot bag. Very cool. Let's check out the portfolios, see what they're doing, see what I bought, see what everything's worth. We're going to start it off with Stash. And what did I buy this week with Stash? That's right, Procter & Gamble was the lowest of the 3. So the way I'm doing this is no questions asked. Whatever is the lowest nominal amount between Apple, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, the $5 goes right into that every week, no questions asked. And this week it was Procter & Gamble. Stash is at $124.38 for a nominal overall gain of $14.38. For an overall percentage gain of 13.07%. And check this out, Apple is up 26.75% from where I first bought it. Worthy Bonds is up next. So the first iteration of Worthy Peer Capital, I have $50.56. And then in Worthy Peer 2, I have $90.26. Now, on a side note, $30 of that $90 has been gifted. $10 of that was from my wife's link that she used to sign up. And $20 of that was from the awesome gift I got from Worthy today. So to compensate for that and to keep all things as evenish as possible, I am suspending for 1 month my auto-recurring buys of 2 bonds within Worthy Bonds, so it can kind of level things out between Stash and Acorns. But I have an overall gain of 82 cents. Not earth-shattering, but it's okay because these are bonds and they don't move with the market, so they're not exposed to the stock market volatility, which any good little investor knows you need to have a diversified portfolio. And I'm so confident and Worthy, as you saw earlier, I am moving half of my emergency fund into Worthy Bonds. Last but not least, Acorns has an overall value of $127.74 for an overall nominal gain of $22.74 for an overall percentage gain of 21.66%. Now, this is a little bit skewed because I goofed up. I put in an extra $10 into Acorns. I know I said I'm not that big of a fan of it, and I'm just not a fan of ETFs because I don't get to control where my money goes into. Somebody else is picking and choosing where your money's going to go. With that being said, I had paused my auto recurring payments of Acorns. I did that for 2 weeks. So starting this Thursday, I'm going to reinstate that and get that being caught up. Okay, the disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just some guy, me, sharing my experience on the internet with all of you for fun and entertainment. If you are going to put money into the stock market or into bonds, you need to consult a licensed financial advisor and discuss your situation with them. Find me on Twitter at RustyRam78 is my handle. I also have a podcast I do called Dapper Dividends. It's on all the major podcatchers, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher. You can find it there. I go over dividend growth investing, covered call options. It's a little more in depth and not so much for beginners, but there's always something to learn. All right, so I'm going to get out of here. I will see you next week. And remember, everyone you meet has something to teach you.